To Action TV, and today we are going to solve simultaneous equation, but this is going to be really challenging, but we are going to make it easy for you. Okay, so this time we are going to use the method of substitution because y is equal to 3x minus 1. Where we have y in this equation, we can substitute this value such that we will have only one unknown in our equation. Okay, so we're going to have x squared plus 3x minus 1, but we need to square this, and then that is equal to 5. So we have got rid of the y from the equation. Okay, so now we have x squared. If we expand 3x minus 1, we will get
9x squared.
9x squared
minus 6x plus 1.
Minus 6x plus 1. And that's all equal to 5. Okay? So now we need to bring the 5 over such that we can equate the equation to 0. So we have x squared
plus 9x
squared. As a matter of fact, we can actually say x squared plus 9x squared is actually 10x squared. So we have 10x squared
minus
6x plus 1 take away 5 is equal to 0. Okay? So now we can simplify this. So now we will have 10x squared
minus 6x
minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? Now we need to factorize in order to solve our equation. But just to make our life easier, we can divide through this equation by
2.
We can divide it by 2. Okay, so if we divide this equation by 2, we will have 5x squared minus 3x minus 2, and that's all equal to 0. Okay, so now we can factorize and solve for x. Okay, so what we're going to do now, if we write 5x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We're going to do 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. So we need to find two numbers. When we times them, we get minus 10. But when we add them, we get minus 3. Those two numbers would be minus 5 and positive 2, such that 5 times 2, minus 5 times 2 is minus 10, but when we add them, we will get negative 3. So now we need to split minus 3x. Okay, so we're going to have 5x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 2, and that's all equal to 0. Fantastic. Now let's factorize this section by section. So what's the highest common factor there? Highest common factor is 5x. So if we divide 5x squared by 5x, we are now left with x. And 5x divided by 5x, actually this is minus 5x, so we will get minus 1. And let's use 2 as our highest common factor. So 2x divided by 2 is x, and minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. Very good. And it's minus 1. That's all equal to 0. So now we have 5x plus 2 or x minus 1
equal
to 0. Okay? So now, actually we should have 5x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. So now we can say 5x is equal to minus 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 divided by 5. X is equal to minus 0.4, or you can say x is equal to 1. Very good.